Hello and good evening to one and all. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to Farewell Party 2020 and give huge round of applause for outgoing batch who have cleared all the exams with flying colors. Now there is no pressure on you to achieve and score good marks today because this day is not to talk about your achievements, academics or non-academics. This day is all about how you have spent your lives on campus, all the khatti meethi memories that you have with your friends, teachers, and last but not the least, how you guys have become a source of motivation for all of your juniors like me in the JIT. You are leaving JIT, but I assure you that neither you nor JIT will be able to forget each other. I wish each and every one of you a bright and colorful future ahead. One more important wish that you are never gonna forget your juniors and we will never forget you. And last but not the least, every ending has a new beginning. Thank you. Now we will start our program with a beautiful song, A Million Dreams, sung by Rocco Crenio from batch 2021, Computer Science Department. Please welcome her with a huge applause.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where's no one been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. We close our eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम से शारिक इकबाल फ्रॉम इसी। कोविड-19 की वजह से हम लोग इस बार फेयरवेल नहीं दे पा रहे, तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि इस बार इसी तरह वीडियो बनाकर हम लोग एक दूसरे से, खासकर अपने सीनियर से रूबरू होते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम अपने सीनियर्स को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहते हैं कि वो फ्यूचर में बड़े बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, सिविल इंजीनियर, साइंटिस्ट, सिंगर, एक्टर, कंडक्टर, चाय वाला, चौकीदार वगैरह वगैरह बन सकते हैं। आप लोग इंजीनियर में आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं। देखो भाई, प्राउड तो फील हो रहा होगा। आफ्टर ऑल आप लोग JIT से पास आउट हो रहे हैं। होता क्या है ना कि 12th से पहले हम लोग करण जौहर की मूवी देख देख के थोड़ा बहुत अपने दिमाग में एक कॉलेज का एक इमेज बना लेते हैं। तो बाकी स्टूडेंट को मतलब वो इमेज टूटने में ना टाइम लगता है। हम लोग का क्या हुआ कि जब बाराबंकी से जहांगीराबाद के लिए पहली बार वो बड़ी वाली ऑटो बैठे थे ना, उसी टाइम में सारा इमेज टूट गया था। ठीक है, हमको याद आता है कॉलेज का पहला लेक्चर, सर आए थे और सर ने एक बात कही थी, बेटा अटेंडेंस बहुत ज़रूरी है, अटेंडेंस सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। और इस सब्जेक्ट को पास करने के लिए, खैर ये बात तो सारे सर ने सारे सब्जेक्ट के लिए कहा था। तो क्या कहा था, इस सब्जेक्ट को पास करने के लिए रेगुलर क्लास करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो ये सब्जेक्ट पास करना बहुत मुश्किल है। लेकिन आप लोगों ने ऐसे ही मुश्किल सब्जेक्ट 40 सब्जेक्ट आप लोगों ने पास कर लिए हैं। थैंक गॉड एंड थैंक फॉर क्वांटम। और कैसे, और एक और जोक आप लोग को याद होगा क्या, 10 नंबर मिलेंगे असाइनमेंट के, 10 नंबर मिलेंगे अटेंडेंस के, 10 नंबर मिलेंगे इंटरनल एग्जाम्स के। और वाइवा भी याद ही होगा आप लोग को कि वाइवा के नाम पे आप लोग कैसे सॉरी सर, माफ़ कर दिए सर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर, अगली बार सर पढ़ के आएंगे सर। ठीक है, तो खैर वाइवा में थोड़ी बहुत बेइज्जती होने के बाद, नहीं थोड़ी बहुत नहीं, मतलब थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा बेइज्जती होने के बाद पास तो हो ही जाते थे। और इस तरह हम लोग अपनी अटेंडेंस की भीख मांगते हुए और मनीष की चाय पीते हुए कैसे आप लोग के 4 साल निकल गए, आप लोग को पता ही नहीं चला होगा। JIT में रहकर कॉलेज का मतलब लगभग सपना पूरा हो गया। ठीक है, बस एक ही सपना रह गया कि यार कभी मास बंक नहीं कर पाए, वही एक लड़का जो हमेशा क्लास तला आता था। ठीक है, तो कोरोना की वजह से आप लोग का फाइनल ईयर तो बिल्कुल ख्वाब की तरह गुजर गया, आप लोग को पता नहीं चला। और ये जो लास्ट पेपर जिसके होने की वजह से हम लोग गवर्नमेंट को और UGC को गाली दे रहे थे, लेकिन अब हम उसका शुक्र अदा करते हैं कि भाई उस लास्ट पेपर की वजह से हम आप लोग का चेहरा एक बार फिर से देख लिए और एक बार फिर से मुलाकात कर लिए। तो इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे, उम्मीद करते हैं। और आप लोगों को एक चीज़ सुनाते हैं, देखिए इसमें गंगो जमन का मिलन, ये अल्लामा इकबाल की लाइन है, इस पर थोड़ा गौर कीजिएगा। देखिए इसमें गंगो जमन का मिलन, शाम लखनऊ का दिलकश बागोपन, और सुबह बनारस का फैज़ान है, मरकज़े इल्म का ये गुलिस्तान है, इसके बुलबुल है रब का ये एहसान है। आप एहसान कीजिए, इसके बुलबुल हैं रब का ये एहसान है। ये अल्लामा इकबाल की लाइन नहीं है, ये अपने जायटी का तराना है, ठीक है। बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये भी पता नहीं होगा। तो खैर हमने सोचा कि आप लोग जा रहे हैं, आपके जायटी का तराना ही सुना दें। तो ऐसे ही हम लोग याद रखिएगा, और इंशाल्लाह दुआ करेंगे कि हम लोग फिर से एक बार कॉन्वोकेशन के वक्त में मिलें, ठीक है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Hi everyone, my name is Savito from Civil Branch 4 here. It's happy yet sad to say that we are finally leaving college. Not just that, we're leaving friends and memories. It's been an adventure here at JIT. I got to meet people from different states, got to see different religion and cultures. Indeed, the JIT is an institute with diversity. JIT was like a second home to me. I found love and family here. What I loved the most was that the people understood and accepted me the way I am. I am thankful to the Institute for everything they've did to prepare us for the future. Specifically, I want to thank the Civil Department. Thank you to all the teachers who are present right now, and also to the teachers who have left. You guys were great teachers and helped us in so many ways. To all my outgoing friends, you will be deeply missed, dear brothers and sisters. But it's a small world, so I'm sure we'll meet one day again. All the best for your future endeavors. Let us be great people and make JIT proud. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Harsh Kumar, final year student of Jahangirabad Institute of Technology. I hope you all guys are doing good in your life. During COVID-19 period, we can't meet and enjoy together, but I am thankful to my juniors who gave me an opportunity to share my feelings and the thoughts about the life that I spent in the college. This remarkable journey commenced in the year 2016 and now came to halt in 2020. During this 4-year period, there were many ups and the downs, but I am very happy to say that I got to learn a lot that will be going to help me in my life. I would like to say special thanks to Ghazi sir, Mahesh sir and all the other faculty members of the Mechanical Engineering Department for being there for me. They all have a remarkable attitude that inspires me. I learned a lot from them and I am damn sure that whatever I learned from them that will be going to help me in my future. I also thankful to my parents for always supporting me in my life and leading me down the right path. I would like to say thanks to my friends, some who taught me what to do in life and some taught me what not to do. You guys are the most amazing people and I am going to miss you all. At last, I just want to say thanks to my juniors and good luck to my friends for their better future. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
कब मिलेंगे न जाने हम यारों फिर से सभी, लौट कर अब न आएंगे वो मस्ती भरे दिन कभी। हो दिल ये अपना कहे कि ये दोस्तों, I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. याद है वो सारे लेक्चर्स हमने जो बंक किए थे, प्रॉक्सी का पकड़ा जाना, वो लफड़े क्या कम किए थे, मिल के लिखना वो जर्नल्स और सबमिशंस लास्ट मिनट पे, एग्जाम्स की वो तैयारी, हो लिखना वो और बाहर आके वो कहना साला क्या बेकार पेपर सेट किया था यार। मिलता फर्स्ट क्लास कभी यहाँ तो लगती थी केटी कभी, लौट कर अपना आएंगे वो मस्ती भरे दिन कभी, हो दिल ये अपना कहे कि ये दोस्त तुम I'm really gonna miss this place, I'm gonna miss my college days, I'm really gonna miss this place, I'm gonna miss my college days. याद आएंगे वो टीचर्स हमको दिल से हमेशा, याद आएगा वो कैंपस और इसकी अपनी दुनिया, याद आएगा हमेशा ये आशियाँ। I'm really gonna miss this place, I'm gonna miss my college days, I'm really gonna miss this place, I'm gonna miss my college days.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I, Dr. A.S. Ghazi, Principal Engineering, on behalf of our management, our trustees and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Midat Qidwai Sahab, Principal Polytechnic, Dr. Arun Kumar Mishra Sahab, Principal Pharmacy, Dr. Shahid Jamil Sahab, and all the faculty and staff members and all the students, your juniors, I would like to wish you all the very best of luck in your future endeavor. This event is a very special event, the farewell party which is given to the final year students from the third year students, but fortunately we have organized this on the virtual platform, and I must appreciate the efforts of the third year students who have taken this initiative. As it is mentioned on the flyer, every ending has a new beginning. So life in the hostel days, in the college days is entirely different from what you are in today. You have to equip yourself with the necessary tools and techniques. You have to brush up your knowledge. You have to update yourself. You have to boost your confidence level, and you have to overcome your weaknesses and gather your strength. And then you have to face the world. You have to accept the challenge. If you fail, do not worry, because this is life. Sometimes you fail and sometimes you pass. So there is no need to worry about it. गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले. We have to become an asset to the society. One should be proud of you. Your parents should be proud of you. Your relatives should be proud of you. Yes, he is my brother, he is my sister, he is my son. And the same feeling we will also have. We will be able to proudly say, yes, Mr. X is a student of JIT and we are proud of him. Just like your parents feel proud, and you stay in touch with us also and your juniors as well. We would definitely love to hear your success stories. In the end, I would just like to wish you all the very best of luck. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening. I am honored and pleased to shoot this video for your farewell. I wish to have this event at the campus, but due to COVID, I would have to choose this means. When this video would have been streaming, I would be in train with my family. I think you know me, you know about me when you have entered in the campus and have some sweet and sour memory. Being tough with you at many times does not means that I am of this kind. But due to but to prepare yourself for the greater challenge ahead and nurture you to build a strong foundation for your next level. Your brilliant achievements in the academics, discourse, and the sports are indeed acknowledged. Your sweet memory will forever remain in my heart. At last, I wish my all best wishes for your brilliant academic pursuit, and may Allah achieve you all types of the success in your future, in your professional and the professional personal life. थैंक यू वेरी मच। और अगर किसी को कोई तकलीफ़ भी है तो वो भी प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज़ मी फॉर दैट, एंड प्लीज़ ऑलवेज कीप मी in your memory, for in the very small part of your memory. Thank you very much, and again Allah bless you. अल्लाह आपको हर खुशियाँ दे और ज़िंदगी के हर मोड़ पर कामयाब करे।
Hey guys, this is Salman Ashraf. I hope you all are doing well. Well, I don't know where to start as my journey was never planned and routed the way it went. And I bet none of us was. And to be honest, I like it this way. A little unplanned with a twist of unpredictability. It feels like yesterday when I met everyone and started off. But someone has rightly said that when you start enjoying your days, it passes by real quick. Just like everyone else, I never wanted to end my college journey so quickly and so weirdly due to COVID. Well, there isn't something we could have done either. The thing about college is so unique and precious, like everyone has to feel it once in their lifetime. And we are fortunate to have it in our lives. All the moments spent with friends, exam pressure, assignment, deadlines, teacher, local food, everything has their own special place in our heart. And indeed, it will be one of the most precious and amazing days of our life. I got a family away from my family, learned a lot about life, and cherished every moment. If only we could turn back the clock, it would have been another fun semester, but I guess that we have come towards the end of good things. They say that good things take time, but really great things happen in a blink of an eye. I just want to say I'll miss each one of you, and I wish you all a very good luck for the upcoming future. And I hope you all do very well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye.